When most of us think of the universe, we imagine a sky full of stars, galaxies scattered everywhere, and endless light stretching across the cosmos. But what if I told you that most of the universe is actually empty? Vast regions of space, unimaginably large, where there are almost no galaxies, no stars, and barely any matter at all. These are the cosmic voids, the dark deserts of the universe. And they're not just empty space. They might hold the keys to understanding why the universe looks the way it does, and even why we haven't met any alien civilizations. The universe is not random. On the largest scales, it forms what scientists call the cosmic web. Imagine a three-dimensional spider's web stretching for billions of light years. The threads of this web are made of galaxy clusters, thousands of galaxies bound together by gravity. But in between those glowing filaments lie enormous empty bubbles, the voids. These voids can span hundreds of millions of light years. To put that in perspective, our entire Milky Way galaxy is only about 100,000 light years wide. A single void can be thousands of times larger than our galaxy. Astronomers discovered voids by mapping the positions of galaxies across the sky. Instead of being evenly spread, galaxies clump together in long strands and walls, leaving vast regions with almost nothing. The first surveys in the 1970s revealed these surprising gaps, and ever since, scientists have been studying them in detail. Even though voids contain very little, they're not truly empty. They have thin gas, dark matter, and a few lonely galaxies drifting through the dark. But compared to the crowded galaxy clusters, they're like cosmic ghost towns. You might think of voids as nothingness, but in reality, they are powerful tools for science. The way galaxies form around them, the way light bends through them, and even the speed at which they expand can reveal secrets about dark matter, dark energy, and the fate of the universe itself. In fact, some researchers believe voids could help explain the Hubble tension, the strange disagreement about how fast the universe is expanding. Because voids have lower density, they can affect measurements of cosmic distances, making us see the universe differently depending on where we live. Here's where things get really interesting. Some scientists have connected cosmic voids with the famous Fermi paradox, the puzzle of why we haven't detected alien life despite the enormous size of the universe. If our galaxy happens to lie inside or near a large void, then perhaps other civilizations are simply too far away for us to hear them. Their signals may never reach across these enormous gaps of emptiness. It's not that life doesn't exist, it's that space is too vast, and we're living in one of its loneliest neighborhoods. For the galaxies that do exist inside voids, life is very different. These galaxies tend to be smaller, fainter, and evolve differently compared to those in dense clusters. They are like solitary islands in a vast ocean. Studying them helps us understand how environment shapes cosmic evolution. Voids also expand faster than the rest of the universe because there's less gravity pulling matter inward. Over billions of years, these regions will grow even emptier, creating cosmic deserts that stretch farther and farther apart. For humanity, cosmic voids are both humbling and inspiring. They remind us that the universe is not just full of light and galaxies, but also dominated by darkness and silence. They challenge us to think about our place. Are we isolated because of where we live, or because we truly are alone? Every time we point our telescopes outward, we not just exploring stars and galaxies, we also peering into these vast, empty spaces, trying to understand what role they play in the cosmic story. So next time you look up at the night sky and see the stars, remember this: for every point of light, there are endless stretches of nothingness around it. The universe isn't just about what shines, it's about the dark, silent spaces in between. Cosmic voids may look like emptiness, but in truth, they're shaping the destiny of everything we see. And maybe, just maybe, they're the reason we haven't yet heard a single voice in the dark. If you enjoyed this journey, hit like, share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think we're truly alone, or just too far from everyone else? And subscribe for more deep dives into the mysteries of the cosmos.